everybody, this is Jerry Snyder. I just finished a workout. How I work out is Beachbody On Demand. It's life, man. It's my life. And I love it, and I can't speak enough about it. You want to know what? If you come to me, I'm going to just be like, hey, you want results, you want to get in good shape, you want everything you possibly need to have a good workout, nutrition, go to Beachbody On Demand. They have so much, and that's where I work out. That's what I've been doing, man. All these programs that you see that I do all the time are from there. I don't go to the gym. I've been doing those. If you watch my lives, man, that's what I'm doing. I'm no trainer, I'm an influencer because I'm a Beachbody coach, and I'm proud of it, you know. You might run away now because I just told you I'm a Beachbody coach. I don't care because I know Beachbody is awesome. You know, I've done programs. I've got my results from there. You know, I got nutrition ideas from there. I have a group that is amazing. Accountability, you know. Like, I have it all. I don't, you know, this is my life, and this is how I do it. I have 4 kids, and I need to stay healthy and fit for them, and so it works for me. Plus, I have an autistic daughter, and she, you know, she's busy all the time. I have to keep my eyes on her 24/7, you know, because she pretty much is everywhere. She's escaped my house twice. Most scariest part of my life ever. So you want to know what? I'm just saying, you know, you have a busy, crazy life like me, and you want to get healthy and fit, you can. You know, you can't use having kids as an excuse, you know. Like, when it all comes down to it, you know, somebody can influence you, you can go to the gym, you can do everything you want to, but when it really comes down to it, it's you that has to make the good choices, you know. It's you that have to make the choices that you're going to change your life. It's you making the choices that you want to eat better, you know. You want to stop drinking that pop, you want to eat a salad. I mean, you don't always have to eat salads. I eat everything, you know. So, like, moderation is a good thing, you know. Eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I got meal plans with all my programs that show me exactly what I need to eat in the portions I need to eat, you know. Yes, I tweak them sometimes. Yes, you know, I still have that pizza, you know, and stuff. But I'm just trying to say, I want to help people. I want to help people find this Beachbody On Demand and get into a program. I want you to start, you know, start from day one and go all the way and see if your body has not changed. Follow it. If you put in the work, guess what? It's going to work. If you just do 1 or 2 days and, oh, this is too tough, I'm not going to keep on going, then you're going to look at it bad and say, oh my gosh, it didn't work. Well, no, because you gave up on yourself. They do work. I know so many people that are having awesome transformations from the Beachbody On Demand programs. And it's just amazing. I can't say it enough, people. If you want help, I would love to give it to you. You just got to believe in me, trust in me, and let me help navigate you to Beachbody On Demand, get you in a program. Do it. Take a picture on day 1, and let's see if you haven't changed in that 60, 90, 100 days of the program. But I'm so fired up right now, man. I feel good. I just got my workout in. I'm done, and I feel amazing. I feel great. You know, I have so much energy. I feel younger. I'm 38 years old. I'll be 40 soon. Not that that's really that old, but you know what? I probably feel better than I did in high school, like when I actually did do sports. I feel like I have a lot more energy. I'm go, 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 go. So, but anyways, I just wanted to tell you and pep you up a little bit. But you guys are amazing. I love you. And if you need my help,